Sometimes it's very, very important to mention things that you have in common. And so I mentioned previously how when you get to know the person's name, it is very, very important to mention the person's name and address them by their name. That helps a lot when you're trying to build relationships with a customer or a client, but also more importantly, I would say their location. So for example, if you guys, anyone watching here is from Birmingham, Solihull, is that even how you say it? Sorry, apologies if it's not. Or if you are from Whitechapel, or if you are from Oldham, or if you are from Bradford, or if you are from Slough, or if you are from Hounslow. Now, I've taken some towns, and for those, and I need you guys to let me know in the comments, right? Every time I've taken your name or every time I've taken your town, how has that made you feel? Has that made you feel like, oh, he just took my town's name, right? Or Luton, right? If I have taken your town's name, how did it make you feel? If it made you feel like, oh, he just took my town's name, right? That is exactly the feeling that you are recreating when you are speaking to someone and you're selling to them. You're building that rapport, you're building that relationship. And when you take someone's name, their location, or even more specifically, if you say something like, for example, hey, I'm just giving you guys a call, or I'm just having a conversation with you, or you are now speaking to this person, and you say something like this. I know you guys are based in the Heathrow side, you're on Bath Road, right? And then you go into it, whatever you're pitching or whatever you're selling. The point is this: you've mentioned something that is very, very close to them, and you know exactly who they are, where they are, and you know something about them. This call is now very, very personable, and it's very important how you come across. You don't want to come across like a stalker, obviously, right? And so the point being is this: when you take someone's name, you take some location's name or something like that, it adds a lot of value, and this can be applied to many, many examples.